Hi everyone, welcome to hashtag Plan With Me Monday 2023. This is an open collaboration hosted by Lene over at Fashionably 50 something and beyond. And in my case, it's fashionably or not so fashionably 60 and beyond. Anyway, this is our planner. This is my planner for the week of December 11th through the 17th. And I did something a little bit different on this side. This is a dashboard layout in the Happy Planner. And I did use these three washies. This was out of Recollections. I don't know where this one was from. And this one, either I think I got this online one time, or maybe at Hobby Lobby where they have those packs of the thin, or they used to, the packs of the thinner washi, and I used that. So you can see I did the plaid and then I overlaid it with this green, same on the bottom, and then I cut this piece of paper. Um, this is a retired Stampin' Up! Paper called Boughs of Holly, which I used some of for the 10 on the 10th, and I made these cute gift card holders. So I had it out already, so I decided I'd just use it for this also. And then this is that Craft Smith. It's a scrap that I had left over from this old hot buy from Michael's from years ago that I'm trying to work through. I still have this much left. So yeah. Anyway, I'm working it slowly, trying to get some things finished, but it seems to take forever. I also used one sheet, the one that had the poinsettias and stuff on it, except for I tore this one and this, it's not Christmas Eve yet, so I didn't want to use that. But I did use sea Christmas lights and some poinsettias, and I made a little spot that I can journal in if I so choose. So I'll double it as my planner and my journal for the week. And I do have a few things I want to say, but I don't necessarily want everybody to see them as soon as I open my planner. Right now, it's blank. And I could have decorated a few things there, but I chose to put most of the rest of the stickers either here or over here. For the meal plan, it's incomplete. Today's Monday. We're gonna have leftovers, and I made chili on Saturday, I think, and we had some leftover pork carnitas roast. And I made a pork noodle mushroom creamy dish with peas and carrots in it, and some leftover onion and peppers from fajitas I had made before, and so I chopped that all up and it turned out really good, I felt like. And I just and put some butter in a little bit of milk with the cream of mushroom soup and mixed it all together after I cooked the noodles and the vegetables a bit. And I also cut up the pork and cooked it with the onions and peppers, and it turned out really flavorful. Anyway, um, tomorrow night we'll have chicken stuffed with broccoli because I think I have 6 of those left. I'm not sure. Wednesday's going to be easy, I think. Hamburgers and salad. I have some spring mix I need to use. And then I never did make the whole chicken, so I think I don't have a lot to do on Thursday, so I think I'm going to make the whole chicken on Thursday well, actually I do have a lot to do, but I'll be home doing it, not running around. Probably mashed potatoes and some kind of veggies, maybe carrots or something. I don't know. Friday will be leftovers, and I have not figured out Saturday and Sunday yet, so we'll see. So today is Monday. I am behind. I have to make embellishments on the 11th still, so that's my very next task. It's like 7 in the morning here, so I'm running way behind. I have a mammogram today at 12:30, and I have to be there at 12:15. This is the planner video, and then I am going to do a video for my jewelry channel to reveal the December bargain bead box. I haven't gotten that for 6 months, but I just paid for the 6 months now, and I got December's in the mail on Saturday, I think. And I haven't done the video yet. Then Tuesday is Joy of Blue collab, and that's usually for me, that's jewelry. It can be anything as long as you use blue. That's an open collab. I think it's open collab, hosted by Sarah of Crafting and Relaxing. and I still have to make that, but that will probably get made on Tuesday morning. And then sometime Wednesday, I don't know what time, that's why I put TBD, is another open challenge hosted by Terry Jeanette at the Tapping Flamingo. That's called hashtag Be Creative and this month the theme is winter. It's every month it's a different word in the hashtag. It's also my payday for Social Security. So Thursday I have some bills I have to pay now that I'll have money. And um, and also Thursday, I didn't write any here, but I need to make things for hashtag Pirate Pretties Jewelry Challenge, Crack the Vault collab. That one's the most critical, actually. And noon on my jewelry channel. Crack the Vault is on this channel that's using things 6 months or older or never used before from our stash. Noon is Passion for Purple, and I typically do purple jewelry. That's an open collab hosted by Metal Scrapping Chick. And then the 16th, I don't have any plans except that I do need to make jewelry for the 18th for my own collaboration. And I'll just put for 18th collab. That's called Jewelry Making Fun, and we post at noon on the 18th, but that's the following week. So that is my, oh, and the sticker book. I used this one sheet I said out of this holidays book, and I did use these two boxes. They're out of colorful boxes. Um, yeah, they're the only two I used. And then the stickers off that one sheet and the washi. So I hope you enjoyed. Please be sure to check out anyone else who participated. They can post anytime today and using anything. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Something a little different, a little tuck kind of tuck spot. I've been using well, this week I used a little bit of my Zig two-way glue on the ends of the washies because last week I had to fix because some of these started curling up. So I had to go back and glue the ends down. And this I just made an uneven tear. But yeah, I had to glue the ends down on here. So hopefully they won't curl up next week as well. All right, everyone. Thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye.